how to download Hich app on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Hich app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Next, tap on the search bar. Type Hich in the search field as shown on the screen. Select the first search result for Hich app. Tap on the install button. The Hich app will now begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note, the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use Hich app on your mobile device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you are all set to use the Hich app. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the Hich app on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.